Hey guys, today I'm so excited because I'm going to harvest my potato plant. Can you see my baby potato plant? I'm going to harvest this potato. Let's see how many kgs we got the potatoes. So I'm going to remove this tab. So many ants in the tub. Wow. See guys, oh my god, so many ants. So can you see? One, two, three, four, five, six, wow, seven, this one is the seed. I think this one is the seed. Here. Wow, the big one. 8, 9, these are all baby potatoes. 10, wow, 11, 12, 13. See the color of the potatoes. I think this one is purple color, is it?
No, I think it's red.
Okay.
Yeah.
So many ants. They are moving in my hands. So yeah.
Oh, there's one.
Where? Yes, so many baby potatoes.
And let me find them.
That's all. I can't see anything. Yeah. I can't see anything.
That's good.
Yeah. We planted so many potato plants in the backyard also. But I'm not going to harvest that one now. So yeah. So this is a quick video of my harvest. So yeah, that's all for today. See you soon in my another video. Bye.